Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Noise Flair Bluetooth neckband earphones. On the front of the box, we have an image of the earphones themselves, some noise branding on the top, and the model name on the bottom. The left hand side simply has a slogan saying, "Listen to the noise within." The right hand side has some designed words. There's nothing on the top. On the bottom, we have a couple of barcodes, and on the back we have a few of the salient features, which include being powered by Qualcomm, multifunction touch controls, up to 35 hours of playtime, ultra fast charging, dual mic calling, call vibration alert, USB-C charging, low latency, and IPX5 water resistance. Over here we have some information regarding the importing and manufacturing, and we also have the details for the customer care. And lastly, on the right hand side, we have the BIS certification symbol. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of the user guide. This should help you understand the various functions and features of the earphones. Next up is a thank you note from the brand, and on the back we have a QR code that helps you register for the warranty. But we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. We also have some interesting stickers. The charging cable, it's approximately 12 inches in length and has a USB Type A interface on one end and a USB Type C interface on the other. Noise has provided us with plenty of ear tips. Even the hook type ear tips have been provided. The ear tips, additional ear tips that is, are a size smaller and larger than the ones that are already fitted on the earbuds. While on the subject of the earbuds, one thing to note is that they are magnetic. That means that they stick together, and that provides a little more security when it is around your neck and not in use. The hook type ear tips are also there to secure the fit while the earphones are in use. There's some the noise logo is on the earbuds, and coming to the neckband, most of it is rubberized, while the ends are plastic finish. There are no buttons on it, and that is because the controls are touch sensitive. Over here, we have a little rubber hatch that houses the USB Type C charging port. The neckband also has the some noise branding over here and the logo on the other side. To get started with using these earphones, all we need to do to power them on is to separate the earbuds. Next, since this is the first time we are powering the device on, it will be in pairing mode automatically. So we will look for it in the available devices section of the smartphone. Here we see the noise flare. Tap on it to begin the pairing process. Here we see that the device is paired and ready for use. We can also see that the battery level is at 100%. Now we can use these earphones to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Noise Flair Bluetooth neckband earphones. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.